Hey guys, this is Ben Riccardi with Ironclad Restoration Marketing, and today I'm going to walk you through the 4 key components of creating an effective 1-minute social media video for your restoration business. Now, if you've been paying attention to videos prior, we've really been talking a lot about using this opportunity of everybody being on lockdown and businesses being shut down to over-communicate with your prospective clients and even your current clients. And one of the ways we told you is the most effective way to do that is via video. We wanted you to create some video content out there for your social media or Facebook ads that are letting the community that you live in know that, 1, that you're open, 2, that your techs are safe and practicing all of the best practices recommended by the CDC, and 3, that you're available to perform the services that they need. All right. And to effectively put something like that together, a video that's going to actually convert into a lead, you want to make sure you're touching on these 4 major components. Okay. The first component is the hook. You don't want to start your video off like I did. Throw all that out the window. You don't need to introduce yourself. You don't need to introduce your business. You don't need any type of video bumper. You need to snag them right away, get their attention in 3 seconds, and give them a reason to want to watch the rest of the video. And that leads us right to the next step. We need to present a problem. When you're creating this video, sometimes, and especially in your industry, the hook and the problem are almost the same thing. Hey, do you have major water damage in your home? Are you concerned with going back to work and having bacteria and viruses all over the place in your work? Just whatever it's going to be that you understand where your demographic is, what your clients are looking for, and how you're going to be able to solve those problems. So right away in the first 3 to 15 seconds, give a problem, get a hook them into the video, and then you go right into a solution. So you want to tell them how you can solve that problem. Okay, just use a few seconds. You need maybe about 30 seconds. Talk about your company. That's when you can introduce yourself and how you can solve the problem they may be having. Okay, you have, eco-friendly sanitization products. You can come in and fog their whole office out and they'll have the peace of mind that they deserve. Whatever the case may be, you want to give them a reason to how you can solve the problem that you're presenting in the beginning of the video. And now the most important part of this video, the 4th component that a lot of people miss out on, is you want to tell them what to do. You need a strong call to action at the end of your video. What do you want this person to do when they watch the entire video and they're watching your Facebook ad? You want to make sure you're not missing that. Do you need them to pick up the phone and call you right away? Do they need to head on over to your website to schedule some sort of consultation? Whatever the case may be, you do not want to miss out on having a call to action. It's just like your website that we talked about. Okay, you can have a beautiful website, but if you're not having consistent calls to action, you're probably not going to have as good of a conversion rate when you're getting traffic there. And the same principle applies to video. So to recap, 4 major components is you need a hook, you need to present a problem, you need to present a solution, and you need to have a strong call to action to wrap everything up and get them to do what you want them to do with this video and help it convert that traffic and those eyeballs into a lead for you to help keep your head above water during these trying times of the COVID-19 crisis that we're all dealing with. If you have any questions or if you're having problems putting these videos together, feel free to shoot me a message. You can get in touch with me anytime, or you can head on over to our website at ironcladrestorationmarketing.com. And you can schedule a consultation with me. I'll walk you back through some of these 4 components. Maybe we can shoot some ideas back and forth on some videos. Either way, if you have any problems, we're here for you. This is what we do. We help restoration businesses get more leads by getting their internet marketing right. So stay safe, stay healthy, and good luck with your videos. I can't wait to see them.